Are posts from your favorite people not showing up on Facebook? In this video, I'll show you how to add people to your favorites list on Facebook using your Android phone, so their posts appear at the top of your feed. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android phone. Tap the three-line bar in the top right corner. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Now tap Settings, scroll down a little bit and tap Content Preferences. Under the Who You See, tap Favorites. From here, search for your favorite person, then add the people you want from the list. That's how you add someone to your favorites list on Facebook. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.